Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bluehost Affiliate Marketing Toolkit for hosting deals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Bluehost Affiliate Marketing Toolkit, begin by visiting the Bluehost Affiliate Program page. If you are not already a member, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in the required information to open your affiliate account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard after logging in. Look for the Marketing Tools section on the dashboard. Click on the Toolkit option within that section. You will see various marketing materials available for download. Select the toolkit that best fits your promotional needs. Click on the Download button next to the toolkit you wish to access. The file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the toolkit if it is in a compressed format. Familiarize yourself with the materials included in the toolkit. These may include banners, text links, and promotional guides. Feel free to customize any materials to better match your branding. Now, you are ready to start promoting Bluehost hosting deals using your affiliate links. Utilize these tools effectively to maximize your earnings potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.